Well, hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. Today is Festive Friday and we're going to be working on this charming light up framed snowflake and chicken wire tabletop sign. And also I'm going to be doing a review on this Monvict glue gun. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box here so we can see what we have, and it comes very well packaged. This is actually a little larger than mine, and you can tell here mine's definitely been used, but as far as the size difference, and mine actually had a stand on it and it came off, and this one is actually connected as one whole piece of this design, so I'm liking that already. Let's see what we get with it. And we have a detachable cord that comes with it. Now this glue gun, you can use it by detaching it and it will stay hot for probably about up to 5 minutes, so you can definitely do those quick little hits with it, which I like that idea. And of course it comes with a little card that gives you all the instructions and everything on there. And it's got a little contact me with the information that you'll need. And let's see, you get 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 10, I believe it's around 10 or 11 of these, the glue sticks, which those are always great. And it does come with the little finger guards. Yeah, there's 3 of them in here. So this is great, and I'm gonna go ahead and just plug this in, and we're gonna see how it does working on our projects today. And I'll kind of be giving you a little update on this one since I'm doing a review on it as I'm working. And we'll see how it does with our crafting and designing today. Hey everyone, I think our glue gun is heated up and ready to go. Like I said, this is the Monvict that we're trying out today for a review. I'm going to go ahead and just squirt a little bit on here to make sure that it's coming out really well. And it seems to be, it's actually very, very hot. I don't know if you can see the steam kind of coming off of that at all. And that is on the 120 watt. I feel like you could almost even turn it down to the 80, so it's definitely a powerful little glue gun. And I did notice that when I pull this out and try to squeeze, it seems like it's not wanting to release any of the glue, so it definitely has to have this pressure right here. And it seems to come out just fine. That I'm not sure about, but we'll see what happens as we work along.